Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute princess castle. So let's get started. So first of all, we will make a line upside down from here. Then another line upside down here. This will be our left tower. Now we will draw a triangle for the top of the tower. Just like this. Now we will draw the right tower. Repeating the step. A line upside down here. Another line try to make it of the same height. And now, a triangle for the top of this tower. Here we go. Now both our towers are ready. Now it's time to make the central part. It will be a little bit tricky, but I will guide you along. Over, down. This will be a zigzag square part. Over, up, over, down, over, up, and we will repeat this step. Here we go. Now we will draw the central tower. We will repeat the same step. A line here upside down. Another line here. This tower will be a little bit bigger from these two towers. Now again, drawing a triangle. Just like that. So a central tower is ready. Now time to make a door and windows. We will draw an upside down U like this. For the window here, upside down U again in the center like this. Again, an upside down U. And for the left tower, now our door and windows are almost ready. It's time to draw a line across at the bottom like this. Same goes here and here. Our windows are ready. Now we will draw a line across the bottom like this. That will connect all the pieces together. Here we go. Now our castle is almost ready. I will now draw some cute details in our castle. Drawing a small, cute heart at the top of our towers. You can add any detail you want. Now I will draw some flags on top of these two towers. Drawing a line here and another line here, and then drawing a triangle. Here we go. Our castle is now complete. So in the next step, I will be making my drawing a bit more prominent. I'll fast forward this step. Now it's time to paint our beautiful and cute castle. I will be using bright pink color for our castle. You can color your castle whichever color you like. Okay, so this part is almost complete. Now I will be using purple color for the top of the towers. Now it's time to color our windows and door. I will be using grey color for them. Our windows and door are now ready. Now coloring the small details of our cute castle. I will be using dark red color to color these hearts. Now I will be using the same color for the flags. Here we go, our castle is ready. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.